In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit templates in ClickUp. We're going to walk through the full process, starting from your main workspace and ending with a fully customized template that fits the way you actually work. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause at any point if you need to catch up. Start by heading to your list view inside ClickUp. This is where you normally see your tasks laid out in a simple list format. Make sure you're in the correct space or folder where you want to work with your templates so that you don't accidentally add them in the wrong place. Next, look for the small plus icon next to the workspace or location where you want to add the new template. This is usually near the top of the sidebar. When you click that plus icon, ClickUp will show you different options for creating or adding things. Here, you want to focus on anything related to templates. From that menu, click on Templates. This opens the template gallery or the section where your available templates are stored. You might see templates provided by ClickUp as well as ones your team has created. Now, browse through the list and click on the specific template you'd like to use. Take a moment to read the name and description so you're sure it's the right one for your use case, whether it's for a project, a process, or a recurring workflow. Once you've selected the template, you'll see an option that says Use Template. Click on that. At this point, ClickUp will usually ask you to confirm some details before it creates a new list based on that template. You'll now be prompted to type in the name of the new template instance you're adding. This is the name that will appear in your workspace. So choose something clear and specific, like the project name or client name. After naming it, click on Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will start generating the new list or space using all the settings from that template. Give it a moment to load. This can take up to about 15 seconds depending on the size of the template. When it's ready, you'll be presented with multiple views, such as list, board, calendar, or others, depending on how the template was set up. You can click between these different views, and within each one you'll be able to edit the elements, tasks, fields, statuses, descriptions, and more. Adjust anything you need so the template matches your current project. And remember, you can repeat the same process with any template you add in ClickUp, customizing each one to suit your workflow.